Good morning. Welcome to Computer Lab Space. Watch my previous videos for problems on different combination of operators, and today also we will solve few more such example problems to learn in a better way. Let's start now. So whenever it is required, we are going to make use of this precedence and associativity table. Let's start now. Watch my previous videos for the different problems, okay? You will get to know. Okay. So now we'll take one example problem. 22 plus 3 less than equals 6, and this is logical and not 5 or 2 equals 7, logical and 22 minus 2 greater than equals 5. Okay, we will solve now. First, if you look at this expression, you need to check the priority for which operator we are having the first priority. We have additive and less than equal, that is relational operator. Then logical and we have, first we are going to write here, okay, better. It is easy for us. Plus we have, then less than equals we have, then logical and we have, then not operator we are having, then logical or we are having, then equals, then again logical and fine, then plus or minus, here only it comes, both are having the same priority, then greater than equals, here it comes, right? So these are the different operators we are having in this expression. So if you look at this table, you're going to get to know that we are having not operator first, that is unary operator not, right? So this is having the first priority, right? Then we have, do we have multiplication, division, modulus? No. Then we have additive, that is plus or minus we have. So this is having the second priority. So let's copy it first. So plus or minus is having the second priority. Then first priority we are having for not, right? So not we are having first priority. Then what about relational operator? Yes. So third priority we are having for relational operators, then equality, then logical and logical are. So relational operators, third we have, then equality, then we have logical and logical or. If you want, you can cross check here. See, relational operators we are having, after that we are having equality, then we have logical and logical are. So by looking at this, we will get to know that except this not operator, for all the other operators we are having the same priority, that sorry, same associativity. It is left to right, but for the not we are having right to left, right? Okay. So not of 5, how to solve this not of 5? See, whenever it is not complement, okay, it is just not. So not of 5, this means not of some decimal value we are having, right? So complement, sorry, not complement, not of this 5, we are going to get it as 0. If it is not of 0, we need to give it as 1. Is it clear? So this is one trick we need to remember when we are solving with this not operator. So not of some decimal value, you're going to get the value as 0, and not of 0, we need to put the value 1. Okay. So now, so this one, you're going to get it as 0, right? Yes. So other than this, the next priority we need to give for additive or subtractive. So we are going to solve it by left to right. Since it is independent here, right to left associativity, we can also solve like this also, no problem. But since the priority we need to consider, or the precedence we need to consider, we can solve it. Okay. So you can also solve Let me take from the right to left only. So 22 minus 2 greater than equals 5. We are having this, right? So first priority we have solved this. Next we are going for 22 minus 2. So for our convenience, let us write the whole expression first. 6 0 or 2 equals 7 and 22 minus 2, right? So 20 greater than equals 5. So next obviously you need to give for the priority. You have solved this, then you need to solve for this one. So 22 plus 3. So it is 25 less than equals 6 and 0. I'm just solving step by step because to make you to understand in a better way. Okay. Yes. Now, if you look at this, what is the next priority? This one is done. That is plus minus. It is done. That is second priority we have solved. The first priority that is not we have solved. Next we need to give the priority for the relational operators. So 25 less than equals 6. The condition is true. No, the condition is false. So 0 logical and 0 logical are 2, then equality next priority, right? So I'm just copying like that, and this one we can solve. So 20 is greater than equals 5. The condition is true. So true, we are going to give it as 1. So next you need to solve for equality, right? So this one you need to solve. So 0 and 0 or 2 equals 7. No, the condition is false. So 0 and 1. So in this, you need to give the first priority for the logical and then for the logical OR. So 0 and 0. What is the value you are going to get? Watch my previous video on logical operator. So you will get to know what is the result for the 0 and 0. Logical and 0. Okay. So 0 and 0. The result will be 0 or 0 and 1. So since the logical and works like multiplication, so 0 into 0 it is 0 and 0 into 1 is also 0. And what about this OR operator? OR operator work like plus. So 0 plus 0. You can directly write it as 0. So this is how you need to solve the expression. Okay. Firstly, we will take other example 2. Second one. Let us take one little bit difficult problem. Okay. So let me take this. This is not that much difficult, but a similar problem I have solved many, right? So I'm just going to take the other problem as well. 2 into a mod 5 into 4 plus b minus 3, then division c plus 2. Close the brackets properly. Okay. Now, the first priority obviously we need to give for the brackets only. So first we need to solve inside the brackets whatever we have. So before that, let us take some value, that is a equals 8, then b equals 15 and c equals 4. So this is what the outer operator, outer bracket, this one and this one, right? So within this we are having a mod 5, then this is one more bracket we are having which starts from this to this, right? So within that we are having the other brackets. So let us solve. So 2 into, let me substitute the value first. What is a? So a mod 5 into, so 4 plus, what is the b value? 15. So 15 minus 3 division c value is 4 plus 2. So 2 into 8 mod 5. You can directly write 5 ones are 5. 3 is the remainder, right? So 3 into 4 plus 15 minus 3, 12. divided by 4 plus 2, 6, right? Yes. So 2 into 3, you can write it as it is. First, let us remove the brackets here. Okay. So 4 plus, and now this you can solve it, right? So 12, 15 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 2, right? So if you remove this bracket, how you will get? So 12 and divided by 6. So this bracket is for this, and this is the outer bracket we are having, right? So within this bracket, we are having this bracket and this bracket, we are having the division operator, right? So 12 divided by 6. So it is 2. So 4 plus 2. Now 2 into 3 into 4 plus 2. That is 6. So this bracket we are solving. Yes. So 2 into 6 3 is 18. So 18 2 is 36. Done. See, this is one simple example problem. Is it clear? So, we'll take one more simple example. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let us take the expression as k into equals I plus j. So, here I value is 4, j value is 2, then k value is 6, a equals 2. Fine. First, since this is in a shorthand form, you need to expand this. So k equals k into I plus j, right? So k into I plus j. First, you need to solve this. So what is the k value? It is 6 into I plus j, 4 plus 2. So 6 into 6, right? Equals 36. The final answer. So similar way, we will go for the next example problem. Fourth problem, a equals I into j divided by equals k divided by 2. Okay. So now rewrite this a equals I into, how we are going to write this? This is in the shorthand form. So j equals j divided by k by 2. For our convenience, I am putting brackets here. Okay. Then I value, let us take the same value here also. So 4 into j equals, what is the j value we are having? 2 divided by k value is 6 divided by 2. So let us solve this. 4 into j equals 2 divided by 6 6 divided by 2. What is the value? 2 3s are. Yes. So 4 into j equals 2 by 3. What is the value you are going to get? 0.66 something you are going to get, because if I solve this 3, 2, yes, it is not divisible. What you are going to do? You are going to add some 0 here. So 0, 0.0, sorry, 30. So it is 0.6, 18, 3, 6, 18, right? So 18. Again, you are going to get this. It is recurring. 0.66 you are going to get. So you are going to put the value as 0. So 4 into 0, the value is 0. So I think I have solved many examples in this the previous videos as well. So go through or watch the previous videos as well. You will get to know how to solve more expressions. Okay. So if you want any problem to make me solve, you can put in the comment section, so that definitely I will solve for you. And thanks for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful. And if you like the video, click on thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. See you all in the next video.